Me, myself, TC Virus, Emeka, Mercy Johnson, Junior Pope, Precious, makeup artist, manager, and as well, like 3 or 4 other persons. That was how we're heading to Annam. So we had a canoe on top of the water. We did not see this canoe easily, and there was a blockage from the driver. If I must confess, there was a blockage. And now close to Annam's village. It was when the accident took place. Me, myself, TC Virus, Emeka, Mercy Johnson, Junior Pope, Precious, makeup artist, Ogolo, the production manager, and as well, like 3 or 4 other persons. That was how we're heading to Annam.
Oh, Kokonyo, my people. Oh, Kokonyo, my people. Make una gather come here. Make una gather come sit down for here. Make una gather come here, come sit down. Make it not come be say at that universe they carry the talk. Since when this accident happened, concerning Junior Bishop JP one name drag the people that drag you down. Drag them, follow body. Make your spirit not rest in peace, so nobody should commit rest in peace. It's not going to rest until you take them. How come since nobody don't sit down and listen to Scooby-Doo or Scooby-Doo talk? My people, Mr. Scooby-Doo said Mercy Johnson was with them in that canoe, my people. Hey, hey! Chineke me aru abomination. I said it. I talk am. And I knew it. I said more secret is going to come out. When I mean secret, oh. I say more secret is going to come out, oh. I say una go hear more, oh. All this I want to hear so na small. Wait till una dey hear so, una dey think say una dey hear na small. Things never come out. I told you guys, say inside Nollywood industry, there's a lot of darkness. They belong to something. My spirit not a lie to me. Some people they tell me say, calm down. It's because now the way you tell like JP, now make all those things they come to your head. No. I love Mr. Ibu movie well. But I cry when Mr. Ibu buy. But why do you not pop on some my spirit they tell me say something happened to him? Why people's spirit can't talk say do not poke by it's not ordinary? Have we ever protest since we put a buy for inside Nollywood industry? Have you ever seen bloggers protest like this? There's spirit, there's something that is making people to talk about Gino Pop. Both pastors, both prophets, both EDBA, native doctor, they came out and said it's not ordinary. And somebody sit there telling me that it's ordinary. And you want me to believe. Since when they talk since, una don't ever hear one day when somebody come and say Mercy Johnson was in the boat. Today, he said, una hear and just now when I play him, and I go still play the full video again. He said Mercy Johnson was there. He said Mercy Johnson there for that boat that day. Hey! Chineke me! We could have listened to another one. Mercy Johnson, so you be witch.
We had.
Make una watch this video finish.
Boarded a boat together.
My sister on one name. Amara one name come oh.
That was when we had this accident. Arriving or getting close to Annam's village, it was when the accident took place. Me, myself, TC Virus, Emeka, Mercy Johnson,
Junior
Pope,
Precious,
makeup
And una
artist,
hide down and not tell us say Junior Pope did there.
Golo, the production manager, and as well like 3 or 4 other persons. That was how we're heading to Anam. So we had a canoe on top of the water. We did not see this canoe easily, and there was a blockage from the driver.
He was there.
Confess, there was a blockage.
How come they don't make sure Mercy Johnson there for that boat since?
Ordered a boat together
He used to cover everybody. Nobody made sure her name since.
for shooting.
This is no longer a
That
joke.
was when we had this accident.
Now Mercy Johnson
Or
called.
getting close to Anam's village. It was when the accident took place. Me, myself, TC Virus, Emeka, Mercy Johnson, Junior Pope, Precious, makeup artist, Ogolo, the production manager, and as well like 3 or 4 other persons. That was how we're heading to Anam. So we had a canoe on top of the water. We did not see this canoe easily, and there was a blockage from the driver. If I must confess, there was a blockage.
And now this chioma of a lady
Mercy
says
is trying to bring me down because I came to expose her.
What is going on?
Mercy is tormenting me.
Now they hear him.
You guys are not believing me. Mercy is tormenting me because I came to expose her. Mercy Johnson, my friend, was my childhood friend. She is a witch. I've been trying to reach John Pope's wife. I want to see her. I want to speak to her. There's something I need to tell her to do. In my spirit, Mercy is covering the ears. Mercy Johnson sent madness to Angela Okorie.
Una go watch the full video later. My people, let me breathe down. Kanguta Milio Bele. Hey, Nollywood. Oh. They say somebody not strong. You no go fit enter. Waiting be that thing where somebody not fit. If somebody not strong, you no go fit enter. I tell you now. I say not be everybody that they buy and go scot free. It's not everybody. You will buy and you go scot free. You know they happen. Since when una buy Junior Pop, what happened? Una secret don't they come out. Una secret don't they come out one after the other. God don't they expose una. Now, it's not your best friend saying it to. One of the survivors said you were there. Come, Mercy Johnson, I did not see you post Junior Pop. I did not see you talk about Junior Pop. How come you there for the surviving boat and nobody made sure your name? People now went back to the video. And this man was made sure that Mercy Johnson was there. Hey! Chineke me. This people now sabi cover something. Share. You never make sure it. Nobody don't hear and say Mercy Johnson there for that boat. We don't for buy Junior Pop. Now they confess. They tell us that Junior Pop was Mercy Johnson was there. My people not see him. We tell you now. Chebi we tell you now say Junior Pop is not ordinary. Angela say na witch. His best friend say na witch. Queen say na witch. That one come out. Everything we don't do, they come out, they talk am. And not be today we begin hear the history of this woman. Make it not be that say we they judge her. The question when me are the answer. Why una not make sure her name say she did for that boat since? At least now Scooby-Doo they talk now. Not be someone as Scooby-Doo himself. Now they talk now. One as Scooby-Scobo, on as Scooby-Doo. Anything one they call and the guy will survive when he get white beer. Because it's in as Scooby-Doo that they call him for entire Nollywood. Ungwano, anyone I call him. All of the carry joy. So the confession when this guy confessed that time, you see, okay, they say na so juju they walk. They do people juju. Una will come out eye for the person body. Una can't go they drag somebody else. Now I capisci. I'm not capito before. I don't capito now. Make una not very so now they speak on a language. I did not understood before. Now I've understood. You tell something whole bloggers. they come dey drag TC and Stanley. Whereas you were there, you refuse to post video, you refuse to talk, you refuse to do anything. And now Nollywood. And I hear say Nollywood, papa and mama, that they fear you. All of them, they ballet for you. That you are so rude and pompous. They say now you they control because now you hold the pepper. I know they support you and your mama. Say yes, say the which way your mama get now, you take and take protect you. So the winch way your mama get will take protect you. Una see that they power that people. So what is the meaning of the winch? If you chop winch that to buy people, children, and protect your own. Why you not use your winch to protect your own, not buy people children? I beg, make una me share this video. Make message just can't tell us what they do for that boat that day. Come on, Adamma. I want to answer Adamma one question before I leave. Why Adamma not make sure Mercy Justin? Why Adamma did not mention Mercy Justin in this matter since we started? Why una they hide and say she did there? So that made the secret not go come out. I wanna buy Junior Pope. Okay, look at this woman said he has been looking for Junior Pope's wife since. Making for tell her something inside Nollywood say, oh, help your husband, oh. You don't know say the wife self na ifu. My sister, you are making a very big mistake. The person we for supposed to dey find na Junior Pope, mama. Oh God, because they don't buy Junior Pope wife, she joined them. Opari Kena Pagari, she joined them. You say they find Junior Pope wife since before Junior Pope buy. May you for tell her the plan. Whether they plan against the husband, say they won't buy her husband though. You not see and talk to. The deaf are here. She not they listen to her husband. She not they listen to any other person. You can't, as he enter the man like they can't do him. You can't begin the purely everywhere. They can't abandon the husband. Now they don't buy the man. My sister, the person where you for fine. Now mama of Junior Bishop, now you for fine, my sister, not the wife who they don't buy that one since they don't initiate them. She's among them. She followed them. She joined them. She joined them. Yes, she joined them, Biko. Hey! Arrow, Embenio. Arrow, Emego. Abomination has happened. Ha! My people. They don't buy Junior Pope. You they find the wife to tell her you not see him. If una get Junior Pope wife number, make una bring in. Not be your wife, in mama number. Bring her, make you give this woman. Make it for total to save Junior Pope children. They are coming for the kicks. Because somebody already tell them, Junior Pope see me and not carry the children they give your wife for me. They give her to your mama to train them. Oburo. She confession. Mercy, why? Why una cut this boy life short? Wetin make una buy Junior Bishop? Why? Why? Wetin he do una? Why una buy am? My people, hey, if I tell una say this matter not pay me a lie. So Mercy Justin, you are involved and you are there. You follow by this boy. You follow by this boy. You follow join. You follow Rigadeam. No problem. We'll see how it goes. We go see. Those of una wey they buy people inside Nollywood, we go see where una no go buy one day. But the way the matter they go, my people, it be like say this one go be the first and last. They will stop to the buy people. I mean, they tell una. After this one, they're not going to buy anybody anymore. Because, you know, Pope's spirit is very strong. His spirit is ready to expose all of them. Yes. Junior Pope spirit is exposing all of them one after the other. You can follow me, share this video, I beg. Leave your comment for comment section. This new matter we will hear so. How you see him? They said, you know, they say Mercy Johnson was there in the boat with Junior Pope by. You edochie was calling them, Alpha. He don't buy. Not say they're there for gang. They are the same thing, all of them. The inner cackles. What did they call the other one? Nezubi Mike, all of them are the same thing. All of them are the same thing. None of them are free. No jaw. Now don't buy what Junior Pope. People now don't rest. God go to expose now. God go to keep on the expose now. God go to expose now. Now so now go to confess. God go to expose now. The expose now. They go. Su people. No jaw. Destiny bias. God will expose all of them in Jesus' name.
Had this accident. Arriving or getting close to Anam's village, it was when the accident took place. Me, myself, TC Virus, Emeka, Mercy Johnson, Junior Pope, Precious, makeup artist.
My people, I want me to listen to me. He said Mercy Johnson was there. Confession of the universe. He said Mercy Johnson was there. I go replay this video again. Make una listen to the people name when he call. I beg you. Share this video for me. Oh, more secret. Don't come. I said Mercy Johnson was there. Let me replay the video again, guys. Let me replay it.
We all boarded a boat together, heading to Anam for shooting. That was when we had this accident.
Make una listen, I beg.
Or getting close to Anam's village, it was when the accident took place. Me, myself, TC Virus, Emeka, Mercy Johnson, Junior Pope, Precious, makeup artist, Ogolo, the production manager, and as well, like 3 or 4 other persons. That was how we're heading to Anam. So we had a canoe on top of the water. We did not see this canoe easily, and there was a blockage from the driver. If I must confess, there was a blockage.
And now this...
She is a witch. I've been trying to reach John Pope's wife. I want to see her. I want to speak to her. There's something I need to tell her to do. In Mary's spirit, Mercy is covering the ears. Mercy Johnson sent madness to Angela Okorie. Nigerians, you're not believing me because I am not known. What that girl is wearing is my clothes. And she knows. Now they threaten her. Say, come out for church. All night to come to church. Mercy can't come to church. Mercy would not go to church. The whole world, we're all in Nigeria, all of us, they live. Oh. Everybody from everywhere. You people should try and go to Mercy's as well. We stay before. Yeah, make one person just go Okoko. One of you just try and go to Okoko and ask. She's running. She thinks if she comes to church, if they pray for her, she might turn to goat. She's running. Nigerians, believe me, Mercy Johnson is a witch. She was initiated when she was small. And they initiated me with her. And they can't tell on I know they believe me. Oh God. You guys that are not believing me and that you know the truth, my God will deal with you guys. I mean, I came to tell you guys that Mercy Johnson.
When we had this accident, arriving or getting close to Anam's village, it was when the accident took place. Me, myself, TC Virus, Emeka, Mercy Johnson,